Okay, so this is the Amazon page. At the end of this video, I will drop the link. All right, so this is kdp.amazon.com. Now, the meaning of KDP is Kindle Direct Publishing. You already know what Amazon is all about. Amazon is a very big online store. Who doesn't know Amazon? It's a very big online store, and people buy a lot of things, electronics, groceries. Maybe people do shopping on Amazon. So this is the book section where people buy books ranging from educational books, story books, whatever book, even to skills, cooking, whatever. A lot of books. So later you open this website and go through it. You can just even check their the other books, the books they already have in their bookstore. Okay. So the meaning of KDP is Kindle Direct Publishing, where you have the opportunity to publish your book by yourself. You don't even need any publisher to help you publish your book. But if you want to use a publisher, it's also fine. They allow that. Okay. But you can publish your book by yourself so that you not have to incur costs, and it is entirely free. They are not charging you anything to publish your book. They will say pay for space. Like I said, this is like a bookstore. Like you just picture the usual offline bookstore, but this one is online. So you just publish your book, okay? Write your book, edit it, using good graphics, make it very eye catchy. The topics too as well. You make it very attractive, okay? Then just write, then edit. You can edit it. Like I do all of that myself. I don't use anybody, but you can use people to help you design your book cover. Okay? It is simple to do. I will show you all the apps. I use Canva mostly to design some of my books. Then KDP, this Kindle Direct Publishing, Amazon, they also have some book covers. So if you want to use their book covers, they have plenty book covers you can choose from. When we get to that point, you will see how it can be done. Okay, so if you look up there, you see total. There's a news there. Say total KDP uh, author earnings for January is 54.7 million. So you know that this thing is really making money. Authors are making money. People publishing books are making money. So worldwide in January, which was last month, 54.7 million is what people who publish their books earned. Okay, I'm glad that I'm part of them, because in January I also made sales for my books. So this is basically the info on Kindle Direct Publishing. Now the good thing about this KDP now, unlike that 2021 I started, that 2021 when I started, it was very difficult to even upload books. It gives tough time, serious tough time, and they will keep rejecting and rejecting until they'll tell you size it like this, do like this, do like this, until you get it right. They will not finally allow you to publish your book. But now it is very simple to do, very simple. Very, they've made it lots easier for people to publish their book. If you scroll down, you can see some of the books there. An Innocent Client. These are their top ranking Sales. This book is by Scott Pratt. Top ranking books, the ones that top sales, the ones they are making top sales from. These are just sample of their books. Okay. So if you scroll down, you see you can self-publish easily, and then you earn more, and then you keep control. You have the ownership of your book. Okay. You retain the ownership of your book content. No one can take it from you. Okay. Even if you publish it yourself without using any depending on any publisher. All right. So you can also set your price for your book. It is entirely in your hand. Whatever amount you want to set for your book, you are very free to set any amount for your book. But before you set any amount for your book, you need to do research and on how much people are attaching to their own books in that particular niche. We call it niche, more like subject area. Okay, if you know what subject area is when we're in school, so niche is more like the subject area, the things you are writing on. So you check other books, see how it is designed, and then you you be careful when you are putting your price, so you don't make it too high or very low. Okay, but it is entirely in your hands to set price for your own book. We'll treat all of that in this class. This class, you're even supposed to pay like 20k, but I just feel for people, because of what people are going through today, I just decided to make this um just subsidize it and teach. I don't even, the last one class I had after then, I've not, that was in 2023, I think. Yeah, 2023, no, 2022 was the last Amazon class I did. Ever since, I've not been doing it, but because of the situation of things, I just decided to share the knowledge so I can really help people to also be making money like I am doing from my own books. If I was not experiencing it personally, I would not even teach. But because I'm earning every month as a Nigerian, right here in Nigeria, from the comfort of my home, I feel like sharing this idea. So it is a gold mine already for you with 5k. So I would like you to also tell your friends, let them also come and join. Let them join to learn this skill, because it's gonna help people at least to be earning. So this is the basic info. Now there's another word we use for Kindle Direct Publishing, that's KDP, royalty. Anytime you hear royalty, it's not the Igwe and the Oba that we know in Nigeria. It means payment. KDP always call it royalty. More like the earnings you are getting is called royalty. So when you hear niche, know that it's more like the subject area. If you hear royalty, just know that they are trying to talk about payment. Okay, so I'm gonna show how to open an account with Amazon. Okay, so please invite your friends, your family, let them come and take this class and join you to earn. It is just, the price for this class is just 5,000 naira. Mind you, to publish your book on KDP, you are not paying a dime, it's free. But for this class, for my careful explanation, it is 5,000 naira. Just 5,000 naira I will charge. Okay, so invite your friend and your family. So in my next video, I will show how you can open your account. So we'll get started. All right, so stay tuned.